morning, YouTube. My name is Erica, and today is going to be another introducing a pet video. Just a second, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. So, I'm going to be introducing another pet today. It is the only female pet we have in the house. The rest are males, because the other 3 cats and the bunny are all boys. And this one's a girl, Stay. She's pretty skittish, so I'm just gonna introduce you to her now, so she doesn't run away on me. This is Nala. Good girl, Nala. But you won't see her. I'm telling you this now, in case you guys wonder in my videos, where's Nala? Where's Nala? She's not going to be in the videos so much because she hides all the time because she's so skittish. So, that's that. And I'll show you one more time. She's pretty cute. She's a big girl. We've had her for a long time. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Subscribe, drop a like on the video, comment, all that stuff, and say bye, Nala. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!